So hello guys, I trust you are having a good Easter's time. So we want to do this short video to demonstrate to you how you can change thumbnail of your videos. So first of all, what is a thumbnail? I'm going to demonstrate this to you using my YouTube channel. So our YouTube channel is called Explore 254. So a thumbnail is simply an image that displays in front of your video. You know, some people don't like the videos that YouTube automatically screenshots from your video and use it as a display. So what people do normally, they create a very attractive image and then they put the wordings that they want so that it can act as a clickbait, something that will attract people to click to view your video. So I know you might have uploaded some videos earlier on and you would like to change the thumbnail so that you can have an image that is really attractive and that will cause people to click. So one thing that you need first of all is to upload your video, and this is something I know you all know. So to upload your video, it's either maybe after you have gone live or you have already uploaded a pre-designed video. So I will not get into the details of how to upload video because I assume you know all that. So what you need to do in order to change your thumbnail or these display images is another application. Actually, you don't do that using the YouTube app that you have uploaded already or that you have downloaded already on your Android phone. So the app that you need to download is another app called the YouTube Studio. Let me show you YouTube Studio shortly. Yeah, so this is the app that you need to download. It is called YouTube Studio. So you go to whichever gadget that you are using, you go to Google Play and then you download the YouTube Studio application. So after that, what you need to do next is to come to your videos. You see, you come here, view all your videos, then you select the video that you want to change the thumbnail. So for instance, I will go with my first video here. So, and sorry guys, because this is not showing in the landscape mode, so that's why it is a little bit in the awkward position, but no worry, I hope you are able to see. So I click on my first video there, and then you see there is this icon here on top. This one, like a pen, is the one that you click so that you are able now to edit. And in here you can edit anything. You can edit the title, you can edit the description, whether it is public, whether it is for kid or not. Yeah, but that is not the idea for today. So if you want to change the thumbnail, you come here. You see this pen icon here is the one that you click on, and then definitely it will give you some suggestions. You see here, these are some screenshots that YouTube has already taken from your video. You get my point? So but I believe that you don't want to select any of them because maybe you don't like them or they don't have the wordings that you would like to have in your video. So we discard that one first, then we come back here to the edit button, then you click on the change. You see this change here. Then after you click that, the app will send you into your gallery. So in your gallery, that's I suggest that, or I assume that you had already worked on your image, you had put already your right wordings and everything that you needed. So for demonstration purpose, let us just pick this one. Then you see it comes there. So what you need to do is to click select. So it has already been put there. Then for you to finalize, you need to click this save button. Yeah, but for my case, I will not click because I was just doing this as a demo. So when you save that one, you'll have a different thumbnail for all your videos, and it will attract more people to come and click on your video. So guys, that is all I had for you today. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you like this content, and make sure that you come back for more content. Goodbye for now.